We are pleased to show you the 2014 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, electronic brake control, fog lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, airbags, front knee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.